Why am I excited? Well, because it finally snowed. And I have not been to the greenhouse recently. So I thought I'd do a video update. Oh yeah, finally. We've been waiting for this. Brr! It's a little chilly, still snowing. And what do we got? It's a beautiful 32, or about zero-ish. Look at all that ice collecting. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. Let's get in there. All right. First real snow of the season. Oh, and it's nice and warm in here. What do we got? We got 40 degrees here on the north side. I got some of my microgreens growing. Little tomato plants. Tomato planting. Little mint. Here's another microgreen bed. And some saffron. Another microgreen bed. Pretty much I'm just growing microgreens now. And let's get a little bit of fish food for the fishies. This is a mushroom bed that's not doing much. I'm hoping that it'll start doing something soon. I got a few mushrooms out of it. And then I put sawdust on top. And then I kind of stalled it. Here is some more microgreens. And even more microgreens. So it looks like the microgreen is covered. Here's the fishies. It looks like we're a little bit low on water, so I'll have to add some water. So let me give them a little bit of fish food. All right. So the roof is sealed up from all the snow. Both sides are sealed. And we've got 40 degrees. Okay, I'm going to do a little dip in the pond. And then I'm going to log off. All right. You guys have a great day. And thanks for tuning in. If I can turn this camera off.